Presenting Reeko Slack bot.
Slack is used by 10 million plus people every day. Millions of files with tons of text in them are shared each day, but finding the right file can become a tedious task. So this is what Reeko helps us with. Reeko's key features include connecting Slack to S3, searching for files using RediSearch, and document summarization for all kinds of files. Now let's look at all of these features a little more closely. The first feature is connecting Slack to S3. Reeko brings your AWS S3 bucket to your Slack account. You can now upload, download, or delete files from your workspace without even writing a single line of code. This is possible via / commands like /s3 search, /s3 get, and /s3 delete.
Let us look at the first / command, /s3 get. We type in the file name, for example, abcd.png in this case. The Slack bot searches for the file in the S3 bucket. If the file details exist in Redis.json, the file is downloaded from S3 and it is sent back to Slack as a direct message for the user. This way, you can quickly look up the files in your S3 bucket right from your phone. The next command that we're going to look at is the /s3 delete command to delete files from the S3 bucket. I enter the file name, which is in this case abcd.png. After clicking on the delete button, the file is permanently removed.
The second feature is file searching. Most of the times, we don't know exactly the file name that we are looking for. A user can find any file using the S3 search / command, which opens a file search dialog inside of Slack. RediSearch's autocomplete functionality helps in navigating or guiding the user by prompting them with likely completions and alternatives to the file names as they're typing it. This is the search dialog. As I type the letters, the file names are suggested to me.
Next up, we are going to look at the /s3 search command. This command helps us in finding files in our S3 bucket. Upon invocation, a dialog box opens and we need to type in the first 3 letters of the file name. In this example, after typing in AMA, I get back the result as Amazon shareholder letter.pdf. After choosing the relevant file and clicking on the submit button, the file is sent back to me as a direct message on Slack.
The third feature is document summarization. Using advanced natural language processing and natural language understanding techniques, Reeko extracts all the text from the long and boring documents and outputs the summary as an image. This way, you can know the important stuff inside a document without actually opening it.
You can summarize all kinds of documents from minutes of the meetings to UNICEF reports. In this example, we have summarized the Amazon shareholder letter from 2020. But how does the document summarization actually work? We get the file name from the text parameter of the summarized document / command, and then we check if the file details exist in Redis.json. If the file exists, we download the file locally from the S3 bucket. It can either be a .png or a .pdf file. Next up, we extract the text from the file using AWS Textract. The extracted text is sent to the Hugging Face Transformer's summarization pipeline, which outputs a summary highlighting the important information inside the document. The summary is sent back to the Node.js backend, where using advanced image manipulation techniques, an image is generated with properly formatted summarized text. This image is then saved to the S3 bucket and displayed inside of Slack as an image block. Now let us look at the demo. I'll enter the file name as Amazon shareholder letter.pdf. Notice instantly a summary is generated and the image is sent back to Slack. Upon clicking on the image, you can see all the relevant information from the document is there in the image. We have 3 templates, a blue template, a black template, a white template to suit the needs of the user. Thank you.